emerging as a certified Kapamilya star. Kiril.
Happy birthday. I hope you have a really good day today. You deserve it. And let's work again. I miss working with you.
Okay, kami mga kapamilya mo dito sa stages ay sobrang proud sa iyo na in just less than 1 year, you have achieved so much. We love you. Stay always the way you are.
From me, Jasmine, and the rest of the police guys, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kiril. All the best. And sana magkatrabaho tayo ulit.
Okay, ang layo ng narating mo bilang kapamilya. We wish you more blessings. And ang wish din namin isang one-of-a-kind performance from you. Happy birthday, Kay! We love you!
And she's capable of partying as she rocked the shores of Boracay with her awesome party. Now, the party's back on ASAP XB with a special performance just for you with the G-Force. Here's Kiril.
Sexy naman ni Kiril.
Hi.
Oh, please tell me that's not a real tattoo.
Yeah, is that real?
I got it for my birthday.
Meron ka na dyan parang bukid, ah. This is for you, Tess. This is for you. You know what? You have been deeply blessed. Look at your cakes. Ang dami, no?
Grabe. Thank you so much.
I think this girl last year, ang dami niyang natupad ng mga dreams and wishes.
Yes.
So you are blessed and go take it away.
You know, it's been an amazing year. Thank you so much. This is my second birthday here in ASAP. ASAP XB, thank you so much. Thank you, Miss Joyce. Thank you, Lord. Thank you to my family, Mama. It's so nice to be on the same stage with you on my birthday. To my friends, my very happy friend over here. Sir Jesmond, thank you. Sir Chito, thank you for the greetings. Si Tin, Tito Odi, lahat ng bumati pa sa VTR, thank you so much. Tita Jai Sabas, Bench, Blue Water Days Pa, Cardams, Dr. Vicky Bello, Gold's Gym, Pink Water by Ever Belena, Essentials Tony and Guy, Nessie Fit, thank you. To my Center Stage and Maylin family, Tita Maribisir, thank you. To everyone who dresses me up, Frederick Policarpio, Francis Libir and Popo Go, thank you to Replay Eyes, to Adidas, Mango, Arnas Bags, Arian Galaxy, Neil Craft 62, Linnea Aura Jewelry, Luca, Rose Martinez, Bam Pineda, my team, Audie Bermejo, Leo Posadas, Arnel and Arlene. To all the fans, thank you so much. And Mama, I love you.
I love you. Sweet as you are.
Thank you.
And kahit wala ka pang special someone, I don't know if I want to wish for that. I want to wish for somebody who will really be true to you. Yun pa rin. And honest and sincere. And would only want the best for you.
So to my future boyfriend, thank you.
Alright.
Rock and roll.
Wala naman, wala naman.
Well, Kate, happy birthday. All the best to you.
Thank
More
you so
fulfillment
much.
pa. Up next, malupit na acoustic jamming. Dito lang sa ASAP
Summer gets even hotter with Fairways at Blue Water Resort Golf and Country Club, New Coast, Boracay, Boracay Regency Beach Resort and Convention Center, Boracay Garden Resort, Alta Vista de Boracay, La Carmela de Boracay, Montenegro Lines, Sir George Salon Timog from the Mary Pauline Salon Group, Mango,
Ano mo nga to? Nag-aawa ka ng kamay, may pagganyan-ganyan ba?
Teka nga, bakit ba obsessed ka sa Jo Marie na yan?
Excuse me?
Ang kulit mo eh!
Patatawarin kita. Pero may condition ako. Huwag mo akong kakausapin. No ifs, no buts. Can we start all over again? My name is Jose Marie Benevista.
Ako si Josefina de Magiba. Jo Marie, ano to?
Happy birthday, Fina. Mamili ka. Kahit ano. Fina, para sa'yo, mahal kita.
Gusto mo ba talagang may mangyari dyan kay Fina? Suko ka na.
Aalis ka raw ah. Sumusuko ka na ha? Sumusuko ka na?
Oo! Sumusuko na ako!
Ang aming anak, the first daughter, Josefina! I'm really sorry.
O bakit? Dala ko na yun yung first daughter?
Fina! Fina, I love you.
Ano?
I said I love you. Lumangoy ako papunta dito.
Kung sasabihin niya I love you ah.
Pahalikan kita. Kung talagang hindi mo ako mahal, sampalin mo. Hain na talaga. I love you.
I love you.
Sino nga ba talagang boyfriend mo?
Sino bang boyfriend mo? Sabihin mo sa amin.
Ako.